This is going to be a video tutorial on how to update all of your apps at once using the terminal on the Parrot Security operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop. I am on my desktop now. To update all of your apps at once using the terminal, the first thing you want to do is open up the terminal. I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to my little terminal icon. I'm going to click on that. I have my terminal open now. Next thing you want to do is run a couple of commands. The first command would be sudo apt update. Hit enter. It asks for my password. I'm going to type my password in. Hit enter. Now what it's doing, it's refreshing the list of available packages. It is done now. The next command you want to run is sudo apt full upgrade. Hit enter. This command will install all available updates and upgrades. I actually have no updates available for me. I just ran this a few nights ago, but depending on the speed of your computer and how many updates you need to make, it could take a minute, could take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Just all depends on the speed of your computer and how many updates you have. That is how to update all of your apps at once using the terminal in Parrot Security. Thanks for watching.